Good Wednesday to you guys. Just want to say I have thoroughly made a mess today, and I enjoyed every minute of it. I am making both fan pulls and wine stoppers with corks this time. Before I made them with stainless steel, and somebody had requested some with corks on them. So these two right here I think are really cool. They're not corks, they're pendants, but they're for besties. They end up making a heart. So it's kind of cool. Anyways, this is what I am having fun doing today. This is my joy, and I hope you guys are having a really great day arting as well. I am just going to say peace out to you and have a great day.